The Chronic is the debut studio album by American hip-hop producer and rapper Dr. Dre. It was released on December 15, 1992, by his own record label Death Row Records and distributed by Interscope Records. Recording sessions for the album took place in June 1992 at Death Row Studios in Los Angeles and at Bernie Grundman Mastering in Hollywood. The album is named after a slang term for high-grade cannabis, and its cover is an homage to Zig-Zag rolling papers. It was Dr. Dre's first solo album after he had departed from hip-hop group N.W.A. and its label Ruthless Records over a financial dispute. On The Chronic, he included both subtle and direct insults at Ruthless and its owner, former N.W.A. member Eazy-E. Although a solo album, it features many appearances by then-emerging American rapper Snoop Dogg, who used the album as a launchpad for his own solo career. The Chronic peaked at number 3 on the Billboard 200 and has been certified 3x platinum by the Recording Industry Association of America with sales of 3 million copies in the United States, which led to Drive. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.